Problem 16. Students from 3 middle schools worked on a summer project. 7 students from Allen School worked for 3 days. 4 students from Balboa School worked for 5 days. 5 students from Carver School worked for 9 days. The total amount paid for the students' work was $774. Assuming each student received the same amount for a day's work, how much did the students from Balboa School earn altogether? The choices are $9, $48.38, $180, $193.50, and $258. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Count all the student days. Balboa worked 20 student days. So Balboa earned $180, choice C.